I love their vibes with positive energy. They are mobile and their natural hair are always naturally textured and beautiful. Their hair is always banging. Look how cute they are. Why should I up and run off leave our pretty women so that other men can take my place? No bro, not I, they are always glowing every day. They are beautiful, a true Jamaican queen glows. They are unique and stunning with long or short hair. They can really be models whatever shape they have, because Jamaican women are blessed with natural beauty. And I never forget that they are the prize. I am telling you that they are the cola in Coca-Cola. And please don't let the Jamaican dialect fool you, because lots of them are interestingly well-spoken, patriotic, and chilled. Another thing I like about Jamaican women is that they spiritualizes every single thing on earth. To me, Jamaican women are well-educated people in many fields. You can even learn a lot from a Jamaican woman who drop out of school because they have that quick-wittedness and smartness about them. They also are very fashionable, their clothes are well-tailored, I love the way they dress, the way they smell is always fresh and stimulating. If there's anyone who can succeed in a desert, it is a Jamaican woman.